The Sealey 255mm sliding compound mitre saw is ideal for a variety of different cuts and is suitable for both DIY and professionals alike. The powerful 2000 watt motor and 40 tungsten carbide tooth blade make easy work of cutting through wood. It can also be fitted with a multi-purpose blade for use with mild steel, aluminium and wood with nails in it. It features double slides, which can be locked at different lengths to allow for greater control over the desired length of cut, and has a maximum cutting depth of up to 315mm at a 0° bevel. The blade can be locked at increments at Mitre stops 0 degrees, 15, 22.5, 31.6 and 45 degrees from both left and right. There's also a depth of cut adjustment, allowing for joints to be made in wood. The unit is also fitted with a laser guide to help to produce more accurate cuts, and is also supplied with a workpiece clamp, dust extraction bag and a carry handle. The Sealey 255mm sliding compound mitre saw, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.